Are you new to the model cars or already you are a collector? This video is for you. Don't waste your money on buying low quality models. Today I will show you how to choose the perfect car for your collection. After doing several car unboxing and reviewing them, finally I can recommend you what to check before buying and how to avoid getting scammed. After this video, you will know exactly what to look for.
Warning: this channel is too addictive for every diecast car lover.
If you are planning to buy a new diecast car, guys, you have to know this important points: quality, scale, pricing, branding, as well as the most important, where to buy. First thing, choose your scale. If you have the money and you want to get yourself a big, premium and detailed looking car, choose the 1:18 segment. They looks amazing, but the price is high. If you are looking for a budget friendly and a good size car, choose the 1:24 to 1:36 scale cars. They are also amazing. And if you are looking for the small 1:64 scale cars, Hot Wheels are the best for your collection. Collect as much as you can. There are many types of cars available in the market and you have to choose wisely for your collection. Only buy the cars which will fit on your collection. If you are buying it from online, please check the scale properly. Read the description to know the color, quality, scale and the brand name. Also check the dimension from the description. Please look for the reviews and the comments. There are some recommendations from my side if you want to search for Joy Junction, Zumbella, Alex Z, Hot Wheels and the LJX model if you want to buy. Just check out your local market to get the best deal, guys. I ensure you can get the best deals out of anywhere. You can get the rarest of rare cars at the lowest price. Hunt for the best cars and get yourself the best car. Also, you can check physically the color, the model, the type, the dimension, and you can choose the best car for your collection. I will only recommend Amazon or Flipkart. You can get the best deals out of them. Wait for the sale. Last but not the least, avoid Instagram scammers. If you are still here, please subscribe the channel. Until now, if you haven't seen my full collection, what are you doing? Just click on the link and check out my full car collection.